silver wings shining in the sunlight, roaring engines headed somewhere in flight. They're taking you away and leaving me lonely. Silver wings slowly fading out of sight. Don't leave me, I cry. Don't take that airplane ride. But you locked me out of your mind and left me standing here behind. Silver wings shining in the sunlight, roaring engines headed somewhere in flight. They're taking you away and leaving me lonely. Silver wings slowly fading out of sight. Don't leave me, I cry. Don't take that airplane ride. But you've locked me out of your mind and left me standing here behind. Silver wings shining in the sunlight, roaring engines headed somewhere in flight. They're taking you away, leaving me lonely. Silver wings slowly fading out of sight. Silver wings shining in the sunlight, roaring engines headed somewhere in flight. They're taking you away, leaving me lonely. Silver wings slowly fading out of sight, slowly fading out of sight, slowly fading out of sight, slowly fading out of sight.
Now today I'm back at Thwaite farm, Ruthwell, where I worked for 38 years for R&E brooch, Royal Island brooch. And today we have George Ritchie and Roy Brooch. They're jetting the drains in I've just forgotten what field it is. I should know better because I've worked here for nearly 40 years. But not to worry. So it's very, very cold. I've just had my drone up for the first time, so I've got it back in the car safely, which is a good thing. So in the background we can see Criffle, and to my right hand side we can see Ruthwell, just in the background there, Rabbie Burns and all that. So it's very, very windy, or I would have taken a walk over and let you see the tractor working. Or I might still do that, we'll see. Roy's just going out the ditch. So we'll have a slurry cat that's putting the water for the machine that goes up the drains, drain flusher. That's the word I'm looking for. And then we have a new oven. 60-80. Bloody cold out here anyway. George Ritchie in the background, another George Ritchie. I've never filmed this before in my life, as far as I remember. So I used to do the ditches. George Ritchie would be in the digger. Myself and Roy would be carting away down to the shore there. It's a better one, George, is it?
Yeah.
A better one. Coming back out. I've had the drone up.